Hi, welcome. My name is William Horn, and I'm a zone manager for Champion Homes in Topeka, Indiana. First, we'd like to talk to you a little bit about our floor opportunities that we have here and what we do and how we create our floors and why it's so important to build these inside, not outside with the dry lumber that we have. So on this particular floor, we have a modular home being built. The difference between a mod and a HUD is the modulars, this will come off a carrier and be set on a permanent foundation. On a HUD, the frame stays with your home as it's put together. So here we are now, we are in a sidewall area, which we have two long tables with angle irons on the tables to help with our build process. So on our build process for sidewalls and our interior walls, we'll lay the drywall down first, we'll square everything up using our angle irons on our tables, and then we'll come back and lay our studs out every 16 inches, and then the way we attach our studs is with our foam seal. The reason we use that is to help the customer on the end without the nail pops. You can see as the foam seal goes up, there's no gap between the foam seal, the drywall, and the stud. Here we are in our roof build area. In this process, we lay down our drywall first, we come back and lay our rafters out, and then we foam seal our rafters to our drywall. In this area, we square everything up, just like we do with our sidewall area. We try to use every all-fall that we can for backers, for interior walls, everything gets screwed nice and tight.